welcome to the channel. Today, we have a listening exercise for beginners. In this activity, you will listen to a short audio. After that, I will ask you a question to test your understanding. Pay close attention to what we say in the audio. You can listen as many times as you need. Once you're ready, answer the question. Let's see how much you can understand. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Number 1. Hello, my name is Mark. I am from Canada. I like to play soccer and I love reading books. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Number 2. Hi, I'm David. I live in London. I have a dog named Max. He is brown and very friendly. I take him to the park every day. Number 3. Good morning. My name is James. I am 25 years old. I work as a teacher in a school. I teach English to young children. Number 4. My name is Alex. I am from the United States. I like eating pizza and pasta. My favorite color is blue. I live in a small house with my family. Number 5. Hello, I'm Robert. I am a student. I go to university every day. I study biology and I want to be a doctor in the future.